Hello everyone, welcome to our live session. My name is Dhruvi and with me is Janak Suhagia, the owner of Gurukrupa Gems. Today is a very special live session because we are showcasing our jewelry in a live session so you can trust and also check the quality.
Welcome, my friend. Welcome. My name is Janak Suhagia from Gurukrupa Gems, and we can introduce our products like hip hop products, chain, bracelet, pendant, in custom pendant, name pendants. This is a very good brewing. Look, this is a material.
So something like this.
Machinery. Yeah, this is machinery. You see, this is a Bitcoin pendant. This is a Ethereum pendant. This is very good quality, and this is also, look, this design is.
This is something like you can
Look,
initial letters.
initial letters, and inside is bucket diamond.
Yeah.
Bucket diamond is a very good firing. You see everything. This is very good for our customer. And this bracelet, you see, this is 6 bracelet. Yeah, this is moissanite and silver moissanite.
Yeah, as you can see, it's very good for gifting to your girlfriend, gifting to your wife, and also you can wear the watch with the combo deals.
I like also this chain
Yeah,
because lots of customer like this chain. Is a bucket diamond inside.
this is mainly hip hop inspired, celebrities inspired. Yeah.
It's 20 and 22 inches long, and inside is a bucket diamond setting. It all is a handmade setting.
Yeah.
Or handmade setting. We can do it only handmade setting. So customer, we can approach only you buy is a handmade setting, nothing in a machine setting. You know. This pendant is a very good pendant. Name pendant is a very good pendant. Ready to ship. This chain is also ready to ship. We can plated, rose gold plated, yellow gold plated. We can do everything. This watch is also looking good. Look, this is customized watch. So, I like this one, Cartier.
Yeah, this is Thorny watch. This is very trendy right now. So yeah, this is a custom watch. So yeah, so many people are asking questions on our live session.
Yes.
Let us see and give him reply also.
Yes.
So someone is asking how much for watches.
Yeah, this watch is not a big amount for US dollar. This watch is better than in the USA market, in Canada market, in out of country. We can live in India, but we are manufacturing, so we are selling some cheaper. You know, some cheaper.
My boy wants technical. Is you complete? Okay, so yeah, everyone can just ask any type of question. If you want to make custom jewelry, you can just check out our page, our website, so that you may directly contact us. Also, you can message us on Instagram. Also, we are every time available with lots of stock available. If you want to see in video call, we are available in that also. If you want to see diamond tester pass video, we are doing that also. Any type, any size of custom pendants, chains, bulk orders, everything we can do. So yeah, he will explain now.
Yeah, this is 8 karat diamond. This moissanite is a very shining and VVS. Yeah, VVS diamond. Look, this is a very good, and this is only $250 US only. This is a very cheaper price and very good quality. We can use only VVS one diamond. This also, and this cushion diamond is cushion yellow. This only $320 US. So we can sell is a very cheaper price. So customer, if you any product want, you directly me WhatsApp.
Yeah. So if you are not knowing the WhatsApp number, just let me tell you. The WhatsApp number is +919924799099. Now, so this WhatsApp number is the main lead for you can just pinch it out and you can just go through your dream design jewelry.
Yeah, Dhruvi, this wall jewelry is we can also listing in lots of platforms.
Yeah.
So all customer line then they buy.
They can see on all e-commerce platforms like Alibaba, Etsy, then our main website, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest. In every social media we are available, and this is genuine. So this video is for all those who are not trusting, who was believing that they are scammers. So now this is the pure proof that we are not scammers, and this is the collection.
Yeah, if anytime any one customer, so every time customer want a video call, so we show you all watches and all Chinese live. We're ready to ship everything.
Yeah, so many people now are online and they are asking, let's work together. So yeah, we are ready. You can just WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number so that we will start working as soon as possible with that El Maniato. Then Gabby, wow, do you also deal in natural diamonds? Yeah, we do all type of natural moissanite and lab-grown diamonds. We ship worldwide. The main market now is in USA. So yeah, last year we were in USA from Alibaba.com. We had exhibition also. So many of those friends, you may know that we are active in exhibitions also.
Yeah, Dhruvi, this watch is also good. You see, this is a black diamond. This is a black diamond moissanite. In all product is pass tested. This is all product is a diamond tested pass. So any customer, anytime you see this post diamond tested, we can do it.
Yes, every kind of diamond jewelry we can show you. So as you can see the letter, if it is a big size pendant, the only initial letter pendant, or it is a small, the Allah pendant, then the only English letters with the name initials. So all size of pendant within your budget. That's the main important thing nowadays, that in your budget we can do, just pinch it out on WhatsApp.
Yeah, this is invisible setting. Dhruvi, we can add also invisible setting. This bucket diamond, emerald diamond. So we can do it also invisible setting. So any kind of you want any inquiry, you text me.
Yeah. I work in the music industry. I will be nice for the music videos and other stuffs. Okay, yeah. We are ready to do that also. Yeah, we will get connected soon. El Maniato. Yeah.
I have a customer. This customer guy is a lock name is a look. This we can read. This lock name is a custom name and custom color is a two-tone.
Yeah, yellow and white.
Yellow and white is a look. This is a beautiful.
Yeah, and this will not fade. You don't have to worry that it will fade in very early stages. No, we don't provide that quality. We are since 12 to 13 years in this business, and you can check our website and Google reviews so that you can trust us.
Yeah, this English.
Yeah, the Asian chain. Yeah, this is the very
Some customer like this one.
Yeah, for it is unisex. You can gift it to your women also, for you also, for men also. It is unisex. So you can just check out the quality in our videos. After that, if you want to buy from these stock, you can just take a screenshot and DM us on WhatsApp, or also available in Instagram, Facebook.
Yeah, we can do it. This chain is
The tennis chain. Yeah,
it's a 4 See,
it's a 4
Yeah, this is a very cheaper price, and quality is very good. DVBS1 and
Yeah.
look, this is a
It's a very
shiny. You see this one.
wow.
Yeah, this is a very good.
That's something like, yeah, you can really wear it on a regular use also.
Yeah, this pendant is also.
Yeah, someone is asking, wow, do you have also dealing bulk quantity? So yes.
Yeah, see this pendant. This is a bucket diamond pendant with silver. So look, is it very?
Yeah, it is very bulky and very precise quality.
Yeah. Some customer like is a very good. All customer something
As
like.
you can see you can see the diamond shine also.
Yeah.
Yeah. So without flashes also, you can just look at the quality.
Yes, lots of customer like that. And her like in this rope chain also.
Yeah.
Restored.
Chain, yeah.
Rope chain like in her with pendant. This pendant.
Yeah, with a small pen, you can just gift it out and on any occasions. Yeah. So bracelets also, as you can see, the cluster setting bracelets. Yeah, for a heavy look, if you want to just wear it on your hand without a watch, so this is the best option for those who are just looking for hip hop hands or something like that. So yeah, this is the best quality. It is which it is?
This diamond is a 6 but this is a diamond weight is silver weight is very low.
Oh,
This look is a very
okay. So yeah, that is easy to wear on every occasion.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
My team member is coming and some interaction,
Yeah, they are giving some instructions. Okay, so yeah, basically we do not do live sessions more because timing. Basically the main reason is the timing that do not match. As you know all that we based in India, manufacturing unit in India, but yeah, we can ship in 5 to 6 days, 6 to 7 days every product. So basically live session do not we accept is because of the timing, because they do not match. Yeah, so that's why.
And Dhruvi, this is the first we can live.
Yeah, this is the first time that, so please ignore our all mistakes and flaws. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, so this was the our video. So if you want to just think it on.
Yeah, we can do it payment accepted. Zelle, Wire, Wise, everything in a bank transfer, in USA bank transfer. If you want a Bitcoin, or if you want a USDT, so we can accept all amount.
Yeah.
If you want a Zelle, I think maybe USA is a very lots of people like
Yeah, yeah. They do sell. They prefer it more.
Yeah. We can India, so India is no our Zelle, but USA lots of people like Zelle.
Yes, already we have a registered company in US. So yeah, we can do Zelle. That's why is the reason we can do Zelle. We accept Zelle from based in India. That's why. So yeah, this was our first live session and obviously not the last one. So enjoy 30% off on our website or on all jewelries. So on our website you can check out the offers and place your order via WhatsApp. Our online jewelry comes with lab certificate. Yeah, if it is a lab or natural, then we will give you a lab certificate for its authenticity. So yeah, this was and also we accept bulk orders, wholesale orders, everything we accept. So you want to do business with us, you can just contact us on WhatsApp or any of the social media platforms. Yeah, so we are available. So that's it today's live session. And if you like any
I will add this one. We can do it a WhatsApp because WhatsApp is this all product is a custom. Mainly we can do it only custom words, so we can discussing. So
it is it is a most preferable and the best way nowadays. WhatsApp is the most trending communication application. Yeah, so that's why we prefer WhatsApp, so that it can be saved and also you can get online and you can just check out each and every moments and we can just stay connected with dead people. So yeah. So now don't forget to follow us also on the more live sessions in future that we'll be taking. So yeah, this is the end up today for today's live session. Thank you.
Thank you very much.